Today's true story from the Bible comes from John chapter 21. A few days after Jesus rose from the dead, Peter decided to go fishing. Several of the other disciples joined him. They got into their boat, rowed out into the water, and threw in their nets. They didn't catch a single fish. They tried all night long, casting their nets over and over, but they came up empty every time. Just as the sun began to rise, Jesus stood on the shore, but the disciples didn't know it was him. "Do you have any fish?" Jesus called out to them. "No," they grumbled. Jesus replied, "Cast the net on the right side of the boat. Now you will catch some." The disciples did what he said, and immediately their net was filled with fish. In fact, there were so many fish that the men couldn't haul the net into their boat. One disciple said to Peter, "It's the Lord." Peter jumped straight into the water and swam. The other disciples followed behind in their boat, dragging their gigantic load of fish. On the shore, Jesus was cooking fish on a fire. He invited them to eat breakfast with him. When they had finished eating, Jesus looked at Peter. "Peter," he said, "do you love me?" "Yes, Lord," Peter answered. "You know I love you." "Feed my lambs," Jesus said. Then a second time, Jesus asked, "Do you love me?" Again, Peter replied, "Yes, Lord, you know I love you." Jesus said, "Then take care of my sheep." A third time, Jesus asked, "Peter, do you love me?" Peter was sad that Jesus was asking him again. "Lord, you know everything," he said. "You know I love you." Jesus replied, "Then feed my sheep. Peter, follow me." Jesus asked Peter to say out loud 3 times that he loved him, possibly reminding Peter of the number of times he had denied Jesus. Each time Jesus said, "Feed my sheep," meaning he wanted Peter to take care of those who loved and followed him. Not only had Jesus forgiven him, but Jesus showed much grace and restored Peter back into a good relationship with him and had important things for him to do. We all fail. We all mess up. Even when we mess up, Jesus forgives us and wants us close to him again. When we mess up, our story isn't over. Jesus loves us, forgives us, and restores us. He makes our relationship with God right again.